Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix and install the Aluminium suspension upgrade for WLtoys 1/20th scale car K989 series. First thing first, you need a Dremel or a drill to fix this Aluminium suspension kit. If you don't have the tools, you'd better skip this upgrade. The benefit of this upgrade is the adjustable camber, but it'll make the car heavier as well. Now let's take a look at the problems and how to fix them. Starting with the included screws. The long screw for lower arms are too short, but it doesn't matter because there is a major design flaw in the lower arms and you can't use them anyway, so you won't have to use the screws. All the arms are the same and the ball head is put in from one side. So when you use it upside down in the front right and rear left, the ball will slip out of the socket. Sometimes it'll pop right off the arm, the other times it'll jam up the suspension. This makes the car undrivable, and there's no way to fix it. If you somehow got all working lower arms, they will still lower the ride height and widen the track width because they are longer than the original. As a result, all the toe angle will change. You'll also have screw heads sticking out at the bottom. All in all, it's better to use the original lower arms. Next, the upper arms are too long. This makes the top of the wheels leaning out, creating positive camber. To fix this, you'll have to use the rod from M2 screw instead of the included turnbuckle. To do this, measure and cut an M2 screw. 6 or 7 mm is enough. Then round the sharp edge off using sandpaper or file. If you have a power tool like Dremel, now is the time to use it. Or if you don't want to do this, you can also use M2 grub screw instead. 5 mm will do nicely. Next, in order to use the original lower arms, you'll have to fix the ball heads by grinding out the poles under the head to have full suspension travel. And also shorten the screw length as well, so it won't interfere with the swing shaft. You only need 4 of this for the lower arms. The full detail of this fix is in my previous video. Now that everything's ready, let's put it on the car. The car I'll be using is my old car that I previously modded into rear-wheel drive drift car. Then I disassembled it because it was broken beyond fixing. Now I'm gonna rebuild it back to 4-wheel drive CS drift car. Let's do the upper arm first. Take the headless M2 screw, apply thread lock, and put it in one side of the arm. Then close it with other side. And wait for it to dry. If you don't apply the thread lock, it is going to wobble like this. And here's the arm with thread lock. Now put the upper arms in using the original screws. Onto the knuckles, put the ball head that you took out to fix back into the bottom. Then remove the ball head from the top. Remove the bearings from an original knuckle. And put them in a new one. There are 2 bearings on each knuckle. one from the outside and one from the inside. If the slot for bearing is too tight, grind it down to make it wider. Next, mount the wheel and check if it can spin freely. And put it on the car. Take the short screw, put it through the ball socket on the arm, and screw it down to the knuckle. Finally, put the shock towers on. They are the only parts that you don't have to fix anything. And that's it. Now check if the suspension is working correctly and it can move up and down without getting stuck. Also try to check the camber if it is equal between left and right. One way to do this is by driving the car and check the dust pattern that sticks on the tires. Then adjust the camber accordingly. You might find that changing the camber can affect the toe angle as well. You can fix this by making an adjustable tie rod. Use 3.5mm ball links with turnbuckle to make an adjustable linkage. You can find these parts in a small helicopter. The parts I use are from a line T-Rex 250. You can also change the ball heads to the other size that you can easily find as long as they use M2 screw. For example, 4mm ball heads. I'll also upgrade the transmitter as well just because I can. And I tell you, this Fly Sky Noble is fantastic.
Signal lost. Shutting down.
And now the car is complete. And here's a little bit of test drive. That's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook to see what I'm doing between videos, along with some quick updates. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.